In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page name on Wix. Whether you're rebranding, organizing your site, or just looking to make your page titles more clear and descriptive, renaming a page on Wix is a quick and straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your page names with confidence. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where all your Wix sites are managed, and it's the central hub for navigating to different tools, settings, and editing options. Next, navigate to the Wix website editor. On your dashboard, locate the specific website you want to edit. You'll likely see a thumbnail of your site displayed there. Click on it to open the editor. This will bring you into the area where you can make changes to your site's design, layout, and content. Once the editor is loaded, look toward the top of the screen and locate the My Site option. Clicking this will expand additional options and tools related to your website. This section gives you control over the structure and organization of your site. Now, it's time to focus on the specific page you want to rename. Look for the page icon in the upper area of the editor. It's typically represented by a small square or menu-like icon. Clicking on this will open up a sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your site. Scroll through the sidebar until you find the page you want to rename. You might have several pages listed, especially if your website is more complex. So take your time to locate the exact one you're looking for. Once you've found it, look for the three dots located right next to the page name. These dots are a shortcut to additional options for managing that page. Click on the three dots and a small menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, select the option labeled Rename. This will bring up a text box where you can enter the new name for your page. Now, type the new name into the text box. Make sure the name is clear, concise, and accurately reflects the content or purpose of the page. For example, if the page contains your contact information, you might rename it Contact Us or simply Contact. If it's a blog, you could label it Blog or Articles. Remember, a descriptive name helps visitors navigate your site more easily and improves the overall user experience. Once you've typed in the new name, take a moment to double-check the spelling. It's always a good idea to ensure there are no typos or errors. A well-named page not only looks professional, but also helps with search engine optimization, so accuracy is key here. When you're satisfied with the new name, click Done to save your changes. At this point, Wix will automatically update the page name across your site. If the page name is visible in your site's navigation menu, it will reflect the new name there as well. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a page on Wix. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your site is presented to your audience. If you're managing multiple pages, repeating these steps will help keep your site organized and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.